Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's ChristyRocksXO. So did you miss me? Because I sure did miss you. But if you ever miss me, you could always follow me over on my Instagram at ChristyRocksXO. Shameless little plug, but I got to plug my own things. So all right, in today's video we are going to be decorating here my entryway table. We're going to be decorating the whole house. We're going to be putting up my normal decor that I have up half the year, because I feel like the other half of the year it's all holiday decor. So my husband took down all of the holiday decor, and a few of you have asked me how we store it and where we store it. So all we do is we put it in bins nice and neat, and we stack it up in the garage. Everything's organized because your girl has to be organized, or I don't know. I can't live unorganized. So that's basically all we do. But eventually I feel like we're going to have to go ahead and get a storage, because that's the route your girl's taking. So anyways, we're going to start over here with my entryway table. And I do have a full in-depth video of my entryway table where I tell you where I got everything and how much everything costs. So if you're interested in that, I will go ahead and link it here up above. Go ahead and click on this iCard, or you can look for it down below. So let's go ahead and let's start to decorate this whole house. So something that I really like to do is I like to clean everything before I put it back up. So that goes from the fake greenery to the fake flowers to the lamps to the tables to the mirrors. Everything gets wiped down super good. So I just use a towel, a damp towel with some Dawn dish soap, and I literally just wipe every single thing down, because while it's sitting there not being used throughout the year while my holiday decor is up, it does get dusty. So I like to go through and give it a nice little wipe down, clean it all up, and then put it up. That way I don't have to worry about it for a while, because my house doesn't get that dusty. So I just wanted to give you that little, insight on how I do things around her. So that's what I do. I like to freshen everything up, give it a nice good little wipe down, and then we just put everything back up. that's going to end it for today's video. I really hope that you enjoyed hanging out with me. I enjoyed hanging out with you, and I definitely missed you guys. I know I said this at the beginning of the video, but I really do miss and love sharing with you all. So if you enjoyed this video, please give your girl a big thumbs up. Also, for this year, I would have loved to grow my YouTube channel. I don't know, your girl feels like she's a little bit blackballed. I don't know, am I tripping? I don't know, maybe not. But I feel like my videos aren't reaching its potential. So if you could please help me with that and share my channel on all your social media platforms, that would mean the world to me, and it would help my baby channel out so much. So please. And also, when you can't find me here, head over to my Instagram at ChristyRocksXO. I do upload random things over there, and get a little personal. We hang out. Also, I will be uploading a wine bar makeover next, and of course Easter's coming up, so that's something to look forward to. So get subscribed, hit the notification bell, and hang out with your girl for a while. So until next time, XO till I overdose. Bye.